Welcome to my channel.
Welcome back everyone to my channel. Today we'll be making lavender bud hot processed soap. We'll be needing your gloves for safety, your sodium hydroxide, your water, your oil and butter. Now pour your lye into the water. Do not pour water into the lye. Mix it properly. Since we are making hot process, we'll be using this crock pot. Turn it down to low. Pour your oil and butter. Now we have the ingredients listed here. Take your time. Now pour your mixture, your lime mixture. Unplug your crock pot. I don't like to leave it plugged when I'm blending. So now it's time to blend. You need to keep blending until you bring the mixture to trace. You can add a little bit of white colorant to make it brighter. This is titanium dioxide. That's what I like to use, just to make it a little brighter. And it also helps when I'm adding colorant to boost up the color if it's white. The mixture is gradually coming to trace, because see, when you raise it up, it's not that liquidy. Now you can plug back your crock pot and cover it up to cook. This is after a few minutes of cook. You can see what it looks like. It's beginning to kick up. Take your time to stir properly until it's soft. Then cover it to cook more. This soap is not ready, I know so, but to be sure, we're going to test it with our pH test liquid. Put a little soap here, put the liquid on top of that soap. If it changes color, then it's not ready. Oops, still not ready. You can see it changed to pink. When it's ready, as soon as you put that liquid, it's going to be clear, as if you just added water to it. So since it turns pink, means that it's not ready. So you keep cooking, keep stirring and covering it up. Now you can see it looks a little bit like mashed potatoes. You can see that it has different stages that it goes through before it's fully ready. And when it's ready, you can see it, but to be sure, you just keep testing it. I use the plastic bag to cover it because that helps it to really steam and retain the moisture, because I don't want it to be dry. It looks like it's near ready, but we have to test it to be sure. It didn't change color. I'm gonna add a little more. Didn't change color. Okay, that's all right. That means it's ready. So unplug your soap, unplug it. I'm gonna add a little bit of glycerin. You could add warm water, you could add milk. Some like to add yogurt. I don't like that, so I prefer to use glycerin. It's moisturizing, and it also helps the soap to get really bubbly. So I just added my lavender essential oil, which I mixed with fragrance oil. This is lavender bud. I just want to add that to it. I divided the soap into two so that I could put color in one of it. I'm adding purple color, the color of lavender. By the way, the soap cooked for a total of 1 hour 20 minutes. You can see how liquidy both of them are. But it will start to shrink. The surface will try to shrink if you don't hurry up. So I'm gonna pour them all in. I have a little left. I will use a little individual mold for those. You could just touch it up a little like this to give you some kind of design. If you notice, the surface of the soap is beginning to shrink, but that's fine. I'm using this to hold the mold together. Put it away for a few hours. I decided to freeze it instead because I don't have time to wait. So now I'm gonna cut. This soap is good to use now because it's well cooked and the pH, as we all saw, is 0. But because it's not that hard, you want to keep it to dry. The harder the soap is, the longer it lasts. I use this individual mold to make the rest of the soap. It's beautiful. And it smells really good. So thank you all for watching. I hope you try it. Leave a comment down below. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like and share. And see you again back soon. Bye bye.